Hi, I'm Julia, the CEO of Kamingo. I'm very excited that Kamingo is launching on Kickstarter, and thank you for all your support.
Our 3 engineers bring years of R&D experience from Huawei and Biadi. After 3 years of intensive development and dozens of iterations, Kamingo is finally here. Kamingo is the smallest and the most powerful e-bike conversion kit on the market today. It boasts the peak power of 750 watts and can reach speeds of up to 32 km per hour. In a system mode, it offers a range of over 90 km, delivering an experience that rivals full e-bike. More powerful, yet even smaller, weighing just 2.3 kg, about the same as a MacBook. Its motor is about the size of an iPhone. Look, it even fits into the side pocket of a baggage pack. When you are on the move, don't leave Kamingo behind. With a 10-second installation and removal, Kamingo is made for ultimate spontaneity, ready when you are.
Kamingo features 3 ride modes. The first one, Assist mode. Turn the dial to B and the motor automatically engages. Pedal as usual while enjoying a smooth power boost. It helps you go faster, farther with less effort. And if you don't feel like pedaling, just switch to full electric mode. Just push the lever like this, and the Kamingo will carry you up to 32 km per hour. No sweat, even in summer. And standby mode is our coolest innovation. No need to get off the bike. Just turn the dial to S, and the drive wheel automatically lifts. Your bike instantly switches back to your regular cycling mode. It's still your favorite ride, just smarter and upgraded. Of course, top speed and power adjust automatically based on your local regulations.
You might ask, is Kamingo safe? Kamingo's pressure adaptive technology adjusts in real time to apply just the right amount of pressure to the tire, ensuring no slipping and no tire damage. We also use 21700 grade lithium battery cells, the same type used in electric vehicles, paired with a full-featured BMS for automotive-grade safety. And yes, it's built to IP66 waterproof and dustproof standards, ready for all your outdoor adventures.